drawer sides to bottom panel. Insert back connectors to drawer sides. Mount back panel to back connector. Install connectors to front brackets. After installing connector to front bracket, connect it to front panel. Insert front panel to drawer sides. Loosen the fastening screws. Rotation to dismantle the panels. You can also adjust height of the front panel. You can also adjust sides of the panel. Insert drawer cap to drawer sides. Install guides to the cabinet. For removing the drawer, push the metal spring part from the panel and pull out.